Look at that mess. You see all that mess?
I'd be old late night that worked out. Too much turbo in?
No. Still couldn't do it.
Coming out there. That's a big drain. Right there between that up. Crazy. What? That's right.
It's stuck over there. I don't want to get them all. See if it's going through these. Oh, it's done. Wow. There we go. So this is good. What I found. And poor little Paul. Again.
They just made me big.
Oh, let me.
I'll be on date. Boy, I think it's another big man come out of it. You get all that dirt come out. All of it? That's good enough. Okay. All right. Well, make out one, but they ain't got good.
Y'all are going to get in trouble.
They come out of the ground somewhere. Turn over here. Okay, bust that one out. Great one at. Yeah. Great one, no, buddy. That's going on. Tired one, yeah. Road's in there. Road's in there. I'm still fighting. I know that, but they ain't even going around on there. Oh, that's good. I'll find that down the wheel down here somewhere. Bridge. They're dead double life. Right.
It has things in mine somewhere. They done is.
Yeah. Most of the bus, I think, from part of it outside side, they'll throw it out that side, they can't hold it. Outside that bus. The yard in there one time. One time you did it. I'm not as yours out there.
every one of these trailers, buddy.
I ain't
asking you again.
Down the road there. See, one of them $100. Yeah.
When you come up, don't just stay on this side over here. You get over here. That might come down and fall down.
Glenn, I got around back there and had a 68. American two that said they bought a big four with the
Yeah,
half of them, the other half both.
Think back right here with me.
Yes, they said half of them too.
Yeah, right here.
Yeah. Yeah. Them big bridges, down now. Elbow bridges, like you got one way.
Yeah, I don't know what's stuck over, ain't you?
Oh, yeah. Oh, baby. We'll get all the government down there, the folks is gnawing it, that's what I'm saying. We'll be on the main walk off